Hey, explorers! Have you ever wondered how we or even smart machines find the best way to do something? Do you want to know one of the most important secrets behind how artificial intelligence works? It's called optimization. And in just 15 minutes, you'll learn how this powerful idea helps both people and AI make super smart decisions, step by step and story by story. Ready to begin? Let's jump in and start optimizing.
Welcome friends, come take a seat, where learning's fun and super sweet. From robots smart to colors bright, we ask big questions day and night. We count, we code, we sing, we try. We learn how planes and pizzas fly. From stars above to oceans wide, there's magic here on every side. So bring your brain, your smile, your spark. Let's light up learning, make our mark at AI Academy Schools of Blast. Let's learn together, super fast.
Welcome back, explorers. It's so nice to see you again. In our last episode, we learned how data helps us make smart choices. We saw how Kate used reviews to pick the best ice cream flavors, a great example of how data science works. But as many of you noticed, that smart decision wasn't made by artificial intelligence. It was made by Kate using her own thinking. All right, in this session, we are getting closer to the core of artificial intelligence. To do that, let's start with a very important idea: optimization. It's a big idea that helps AI work. It might sound like a big word, but guess what? It's something we actually do all the time. Optimization means finding the best way to do something. Let me give you a fun example. Imagine you have a basket full of apples and oranges. You want to pick the biggest fruit for your snack. So you look at all the fruits, compare them, and choose the largest one. That's optimization. You are finding the best, biggest fruit from what you have.
Okay, we don't always look for the biggest or the most. Sometimes we want the smallest or the shortest. Let's look at another example of optimization, something you might see at the supermarkets. Imagine you walk in and see two lines. Line A, only 2 people are waiting. Short line. Line B, 10 people are waiting. Long line. If you want to check out as quickly as possible, which line should you choose?
Line A.
Of course, the short line, line A. That's optimization. You made a smart choice to save time by picking the best option. So optimization is about finding the best way to do something, whether it's sharing, saving time, or making the smartest choice. Let's see how we can write down an optimization problem in a simple way. Suppose we have 5 numbers: 4, 3, 5, 6, and 7. If we want to find the smallest number, we can write minimum of 4, 3, 5, 6, 7. What is the answer? Yeah, well done. The answer is 3. All right, let's try another example. In this example, we want to find the biggest number. Again, imagine we have 5 numbers: 4, 9, 10, 34, and 2. So we can write maximum of 4, 9, 10, 34, and 2. Okay, obviously the answer is 34. So optimization can be as simple as finding the smallest or biggest number in a list. Generally, we can say optimization is all about maximizing, getting the most of something, or minimizing, getting the least, depending on what you're trying to do, right? Now, we are all familiar with optimization. David, can you give us a quick summary that we learned?
Yes, of course. When we have a choice to make, we stop and think which path to take. Not just random, not a guess. We try to choose what works the best. Sometimes we want the smallest size or something fast that saves us time. Sometimes we want the biggest prize, the tallest tree, the highest climb. We look around, we scan, compare. We use our brains, it's only fair. We find what's smart, what's right, what's true. That's optimization through and through. It's not just math, it's how we live. In every choice and all we give, to think things through before we act. Now that's a superpower fact. Now that's a superpower fact. Now that's a superpower fact. Now that's a superpower fact.
Perfect. Thank you, everyone. Now, get ready for our next fun challenge. Let's step outside the classroom for an exciting new experience. Come on, explorers, adventure awaits. Today, I want to introduce you to a new friend, a little blue car named Speedy Blue. Cool! Speedy Blue is here. Today, we're having a celebration at our academy, and we need candies. Speedy Blue wants to drive from our academy to the candy shop in the city center and bring us candies. But there's a challenge. There are 5 different paths to get there.
Speedy Blue is ready to zoom, choosing a path with plenty of room. 5 roads to the candy shop. Which one will make her tires hop? Some are bumpy, some are long, some are smooth and strong. Speedy wants to get there fast. Let's find the path that's best at last.
Let's look at the map together. Path 1 is 2.7 kilometers, all smooth asphalt. Path 2 is 2.5 kilometers, half asphalt, half bumpy road. Path 3 is 2.3 kilometers, all smooth asphalt. Path 4 is 2 kilometers, half asphalt and half sandy. Path 5 is 2.4 kilometers, all smooth asphalt. As we mentioned before, Speedy Blue wants to get to the candy shop as quickly as possible. Which path should she take? Okay, let's write this as an optimization problem. Minimum of path 1, path 2, path 3, path 4, and path 5, which means minimum of 2.7, 2.5, 2.3, 2, and 2.4. The answer is 2 kilometers, right? So path 4 is the shortest path. Now, let's look at what we have carefully. We have 5 choices, and our decision variable is the path number, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. The distance for each path is 2.7, 2.5, 2.3, 2, and 2.4 kilometers.
I have a question. What is a decision variable?
Good question. A decision variable is the thing we get to choose in our problem. It's what we're making a decision about. In our candy shop story, we have 5 paths. Path 1, path 2, path 3, path 4, and path 5. Our decision is, which path should Speedy Blue take? So in this case, the decision variable is the path number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. We use this variable to figure out the best choice. In our case, the shortest path to the candy shop. All right, now, my smart kids, what is our goal in this optimization problem?
Our objective is to find the shortest path.
Yes, so Speedy Blue should take path 4 to reach the candy shop as quickly as possible. So the smartest choice is path 4. It's the shortest way to the candy shop. Wait a minute. Before Speedy Blue starts her journey, let's think.
Is Speedy Blue able to drive on all types of roads? Can she go on sandy or bumpy roads, or does she need smooth asphalt?
Maybe Speedy Blue can only drive on smooth asphalt.
Great thinking. Sometimes we have constraints, special rules, or limits. In this case, Speedy Blue can only use paths that are all smooth asphalt. Let's look at our options again. Min of Path 1, Path 2, Path 3, Path 4, Path 5. Subject to the constraint that Speedy Blue can only use paths with smooth asphalt. As you know, Speedy Blue can't drive on Path 2 or Path 4. Some parts are too sandy or bumpy for her wheels. Now, let's write our new optimization problem using only the paths Speedy Blue can actually use. Min of Path 1, Path 3, Path 5, which is min of 2.7, 2.3, 2.4. The answer is 2.3, so Path 3 is the best choice for Speedy Blue. This is called constrained optimization. We find the best option, but only among the choices that fit our rules.
Wow, so sometimes the shortest path isn't always the best if we have special rules.
Exactly. That's how optimization works in real life. We always have to think about the rules and limits. Now, let me tell you a little secret. Whenever we do optimization, we can ask 3 magic questions to help us solve it. Question 1. What is our decision variable? That means, what can we choose? Question 2. What is our objective? That means, what are we trying to achieve? Question 3. What are our constraints? That means, are there any rules or limits we must follow? When we answer these 3 questions, solving an optimization problem becomes so much easier. It's like having a treasure map. You know your choices, your goal, and the rules of the game. Now, are you ready for a fun music?
3 magic questions, easy as can be. They help you solve problems, just wait and see. What can we choose? What's our big aim? And what are the rules in this little game? First question, what can we choose? That's number 1, it's the thing we decide. Oh, that's so fun. Is it a path, a flavor, a door, the decision variable? That's what it's for. Second question, what's our goal? What do we seek? The fastest, the biggest, the best this week. It's called the objective, it's our big prize, the thing we're aiming for. Third question, what are the rules? What must we obey? No sandy roads or closed today. These are constraints, they guide our quest and help us find the path that's best.
Now, let's imagine we build our very first AI tool inside Speedy Blue. If we put our optimization formulation into Speedy Blue, she can automatically choose the best way to the candy shop, all by herself. That means Speedy Blue is now using AI. She looks at all the possible paths, checks the rules, like only driving on smooth asphalt, and picks the best one without any help from us. So, Speedy Blue becomes our first AI tool. She uses data and rules to make a smart decision, just like a real artificial intelligence. Before we say goodbye, I have a question for all of you watching. If you were Speedy Blue and had to get to the candy shop, what other rules or constraints might you have to think about? For example, maybe the road is closed for a parade, or it's raining. What else could change your choice? Write your answer in the comment box below. I can't wait to read your ideas. And don't forget, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us so you don't miss the next stop on our AI journey. In our next session, we'll dive even deeper into the world of AI and how computers can learn from data just like we do. Bye for now, and keep thinking smart.
It's time to go, the day is done. We learned, we laughed, we had some fun.
But don't you worry, we'll be back with more cool facts and learning hacks.
So give a like
And leave a smile.
subscribe and stay with us a while.
Click that bell so you won't miss the next adventure full of bliss.
Until next time,
Stay kind,
stay bright.
keep learning big and dreaming light. Goodbye, explorers. Now you're free to be as smart as you can be.